welcome to my kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious chicken and chorizo fried rice. This recipe is super simple and very easy to make that anyone can make this recipe. This recipe is packed with flavors and you will definitely love this recipe. So please do try this recipe at home. So without wasting any time, now let's begin with this recipe. So first add 1 tablespoon oil in a hot pan, then add 2 beaten whole eggs and cook this like a scrambled egg, but make sure the egg is nice and hard enough, something like this. Then remove it in a separate plate. Then in the same pan add 1 tablespoon oil, add 2 carrots cut in small cubes and fry this until soft. Then when they are done, add 1 green bell pepper cut in small cubes and 1 large onion cut in small cubes and also 1/4 cup of spring onion white. And fry this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then add some salt to taste and fry this for about another 2 to 3 minutes or until the vegetables are nice and soft, something like this. Then remove it in a separate plate. Then to make the fried rice, add 2 tablespoons of oil in a hot pan, add 4 garlic cloves and fry this for about another 1 minute. Then add 300 grams of small diced chicken and fry this chicken until nice and brown. Add some salt to taste. There you go, the chicken must be something like this. Make sure it is nice and brown like this. Then add 100 grams of chorizos and fry it for about 2 minutes. Then add the cooked vegetables and fry this for about a minute. Add 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and add half tablespoon of sesame oil, 1.5 tablespoon of light soya sauce and 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce and 2 teaspoon of chicken stock powder and fry this for about 2 to 3 minutes. At this stage, before adding the rice, make sure your flame is on high. Then add the cooked rice, about 700 grams, and mix everything together and fry the rice for about 2 to 3 minutes. And also make sure the flame is on high at this point. Then add the scrambled eggs and add 1/4 cup spring onions and then fry the rice for another 1 minute. There you go guys, the recipe is ready now. The rice should be something like this. Let me show you. There you go. This is perfectly cooked. I hope you like this recipe guys, and I hope you will try this recipe at home. It is an easy recipe and so delicious, you will absolutely love it. So make sure you please try this at home. And if you like this recipe, then please hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe to my channel. And also I have so many other recipes on my channel, please do have a look. And thanks for watching my recipe guys, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.